This is a multi-scan instruction. Because it takes multiple scans to complete, it cannot be used in either subroutines or interrupt service routines. It can be used in programs, and under special circumstances can also be used in stages that are inside of a program or in tasks. See the Help topic, Instruction Set Chart for more information. This instruction works by this timing chart. Notice, you're delaying the point at which the output turns on. This on delay time starts from the leading edge of the input signal. The input must remain on during the on delay time in order for the output to turn on. The output will then turn off as soon as the input signal turns off. Here is an example of using this timer to delay turning on an output by 5 seconds. If you're using a variable for the delay, make sure to note that this is in milliseconds.